Hello guys, konnichiwa, buenos dias, hallo zusammen, schönen Tag noch. Heute alles gut. Today is a very good day to talk about editing video. First of all, tell me in the comment how do you do today because it's very important for me. So let's get started. Before to talk about editing video, I just want to share you this book. It's a very interesting book about impact of the aesthetic of the world of our society. I think it's a very good book to read. If you are interested, I put this link in the description. So the second chapter of this introduction. First of all, today I just want to talk about how you could earn time on your editing video. I just talk about how material could make the difference in the quality of your editing video in the previous video. It's not necessary to be perfect to get more abilities and skills when you start this project. When we start a new project, every people, we all are a beginner. It's just about experience and process. I just talk about the self-investment, the discipline, and how you could improve your abilities and skills you need as an industrial designer, a content creator, or artist. I talked about it in the previous video. How you could earn more time in your editing video. When I experience different ways to improve my abilities and skills as a beginner, I try to understand the first things I discover is scripting. Scripting video, when I realized I could earn more time with scripting video, it changed my false vision I had in the editing video. Of course, when you start to find creativity of your editing video, maybe at the beginning it could be difficult to find idea, storytelling you need. Start the story of your editing video. When I discovered scripting video, it changed my working. I earned so much time in the different project I built to edit every video project you have right now. For me, it works every single day. Experience editing video. It's very important to find idea of your videos, topic. Find this idea, this topic, this story of maybe your project, maybe about yourself, about your passion, about your life, your experience. You could research yourself. There's different tools I talk about how you could improve yourself, your knowledge with books. It's very important to grow your abilities and skills. I recommend you to learn every single day with books and other resources. In this century, resources are very accessible by technology and innovation you have right now. You could get the resource, every information you need just to grow your abilities and skills. Internet and technology change the world, and the connection every people have, it makes a difference. Information are very accessible right now. How I script, edit a new project. First of all, find the idea and different resource you could get to find idea and creativity to start your project. It's not necessary to be perfect to get a lot of abilities and skills you need to start a new project, and start is very important. Experience this every single day. I try to improve my abilities and skills as a new content creator, as an industrial designer. It's very important for me and for every project I build right now. The second step I try to do is the context. In which context I want to tell my story. To edit your video, take time to write. And more you script your video and more you get more abilities and skills you need. It could change every project in the future or right now if you want to start a new project of editing video. For me, it changed everything. It's not necessary to have a lot of content of scripting. For this example, I just have 2 pages of scripting. 2 pages is enough for me to use this very interesting method describing your video, the feature video you will have right now. 3 steps you could use to edit your video. So I talk about 1, to find your idea of your topics of your editing video. 2nd time, to find the context of your video, story, your experience. The 3 steps is to script your video. Interesting keys could make the difference on all of your future editing video. To resource yourself every single day is very important. Prove the abilities and skills you need. If you have any question about editing video, about design skills and investment, you can comment in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.